Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in today's session, I would like to declare a lecture of standard 5th of book 3. And today's my topic is skeleton system. As we all know that every system works for a special way. Your body works like a well-oiled machine when all systems work together. The skeleton system, as the name indicates, skeleton system. The skeleton system consists of bones and form the frame of body. It gives shapes to the body and protects internal organs such as heart, lung, kidney from getting injured. Along with the muscular system, it helps the body to move. There are 206 bones in adult body. The skull, the rib cage, backbone and the bones of limb form the skeleton system. Skeleton system is that type of system which consists of bones. The first part of skeleton system help in the movement of body. It also provides shape to the body and it also protects the internal organs of our body, that is heart, lung and kidney from getting injured. The first part of your skeleton system is your skull. Skull, here you can see in this diagram skull. The skull includes the bones of your face, forehead and the back of your head and the jaws. So the skull is that part of your skeleton system which consists of bones of your forehead, back side of your head, bones of your face and the bones of your jaws. There are totally 22 bones in your skull region. The bone in the skulls are fixed. That means they are not movable except for the lower jaw. The movable lower jaw enables us to talk and eat. Skull protect the brain. Brain is present inside the skull and it protects the brain from getting injured. Skull is the first part of your skeleton system. Second part of your skeleton system is your rib cage. Here you can see. This is a rib cage. Ribs, you can see ribs. These are the ribs. Ribs are thin, flat and curved bone. Here you can see they are curved. They are just like that. They are curved and they all are arranged like a cage structure. That's why the bones of the rib are known as rib cage. There are 12 pairs of rib in rib cage. A long bone which is present at the center. Here you can say this is a long bone which is present at the center of your ribs. And this is also present in the center of your chest and this bone is known as sternum. Sternum, here you can see with the help of this diagram, sternum is that bone which act as a bridge or which act as a link between ribs of your body. The curved ribs are attached with the sternum in front side and they are attached with the backbone. This is your backbone at the back side. The two pairs of rib are not attached to the sternum and they are known as floating bones. Why they are known as floating bones? Because they are not attached with sternum. Here you can see these are the two bones. Two pairs. Here one pair is present here and one is present here. And these two bones are not attached with the sternum. That's why these bones are known as floating ribs. Rib cage is that part of your skeleton system which protect your heart. Heart is present here and lungs is present here. We can feel our ribs by running our fingers across our chest. This is the structure of your rib cage. These are the ribs. This is the sternum, which is present at the center of your rib, and this is the backbone. Number third part of your skeleton system is your backbone. Backbone is also known as spine. Here you can say this is a diagram of your backbone, and it is made up of 33 small bones like this. And these small bones are known as vertebra. These small bones, which is known as vertebra, are joined with each other. Here you can see how they are joined. They are joined with each other and they form a column. They are arranged in a column. That's why they are known as vertebral column. Why they are known as vertebral column? Because the bones, that is vertebra, are attached with each other in the form of column. That's why they are known as vertebral column. Vertebral column is that part of your skeleton system which protect your spinal cord. Spinal cord is present inside the bones of vertebra. You can feel your backbone when you run your hand along the central portion of your back. This is the structure of your backbone. These small bones are known as vertebra. Now, the fourth part of your skeleton system is your limbs. As we all know, limbs is that part of your skeleton system which help in movement, that is in walking, running. There are two pairs of limbs. One is your forelimb and another is your hind limb. Forelimb are those parts of limb which are present in your arm region, and hind limb are those parts of limbs which are present in your leg region. And here you can see with the help of this diagram, forelimbs are smaller than hind limbs. And forelimbs consist of bones of upper arm. Here you can see this is a bone of upper arm, bones of lower arm, and the bones of finger. Hand of your body is known as forelimb, and the leg of your body is known as hind limb. Hind limb also consists of bones of upper leg, bones of lower leg, and the bones of your toes. Bones of toes help in you crawling, jumping, dancing, and the bones of your finger help in you grasping. These are all the parts of skeleton system. Skeleton system consists of first 5 parts. First one is your skull. The second is your rib cage. Third is your backbone. Fourth is your limbs. Now, what are the functions of skeleton system? As we all know, as we have already discussed, skeleton system provides shape to our body. Skeleton system protects our internal organ just like heart, skull, lungs. Skeleton system help in the movement of body. It provides support to the body. Many bones in our body are hollow. They are filled with jelly-like substance, and that substance is known as bone marrow. And in bone marrow, blood cells are formed. These all are the functions of your skeleton system. Jazakallah.